Hello friends, welcome back to another video from Shri Chakra Education. In this video, we will be discussing about an atom, an element, a molecule, atomic number and atomic mass number. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, let us know what actually an atom is. You must have already heard about hydrogen atom, carbon atom. So what is an atom? An atom is the smallest unit of element. It is in the order of 100 picometers, which is very small. For example, hydrogen atom and boron atom. So an atom consists of three parts: protons, neutrons and electrons. The electrons revolve around the nucleus and the protons and neutrons are concentrated at the nucleus. The blue balls are protons and red balls are neutrons and the black balls are electrons. Protons are positively charged, neutron is neutral and electron is negatively charged. This is all about atom. Let's move on to element. So what is an element? An element is made up of only one type of atoms. For example, if we consider example like hydrogen, it contains only hydrogen atoms. An element is different from compound, and compound is made up of many atoms, so therefore can be broken down. But in case of element, it cannot be broken down since it is made up of only one type of atoms. An example for element is hydrogen and oxygen. So let's understand about molecule. So what is a molecule? When two atoms combine, they form a molecule. For example, as given in this figure, when two hydrogen atoms combine, they form a hydrogen molecule, that is H2 molecule. When four hydrogen atoms combine, they form two H2 molecules. And the molecule figure is given as follows. The same thing is given in this figure too. Atoms of different elements such as hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, copper and sodium are given. When an atom of hydrogen combines with another atom of hydrogen, it gives a molecule of hydrogen. And when an atom of oxygen combines with another atom of oxygen, it gives O2 molecule. Let's move on to atomic number. What is the definition of it? Total number of protons or electrons in an atom. It may be number of protons or it may be number of electrons. Note that the number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Now observe the figure carefully. By seeing this, we can observe the neutrons and protons near the nucleus and the electrons revolving around the nucleus. Now we can calculate number of protons or number of electrons by knowing the atomic number of a particular atom. So let's discuss our last topic, that is atomic mass number. Its definition is total number of protons and neutrons in an atom. Means to find atomic mass number, we should just add protons and neutrons in any of the atoms. Okay, and for that example is atomic mass of carbon is 12. Means in carbon 6 protons and 6 neutrons are there. Altogether by adding we get the atomic mass of carbon, that is 12. Let's take an overview of both atomic number and atomic mass number. Now let's take an example of carbon, which has 6 protons, 6 neutrons and 6 electrons. Remember that number of protons is equal to number of electrons. It will be helpful. If you find number of protons, then it will be easy to find the number of electrons. To find the atomic number, you just calculate the number of protons or number of electrons. To find the atomic mass number, you add both the number of neutrons and number of protons. And the element symbol of carbon is C. This is all for today. If you like our videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. And if you want a video on any of the topics, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.